today in this mobile minute, we're going to demonstrate how to replace these sash balances in a single hung window. All single hung and double hung windows will have some type of device that will used to hold the window up when you raise the window up so that it doesn't just come falling down. Hold out the top takeout clips. That takeout clip is can you push it in, Daniel? That's where it is in its normal operating position. And so now he's going to pull it out. It'll just snap out. What that does is it catches the channel balance when he raises the sash up so that it'll release the balance from the sash. So now he'll lift it up there. The balance is now released and it's going to allow him to pull that sash out, and the balance is going to stay in the window. Let's go ahead and pull the balance out. This is the device that we're referring to, the channel balance, and he's going to replace this. We'll show you in a minute how he knows what size to replace it with, but for right now he's going to put in the new balances, and they'll snap into the little hole in the jamb. Numbers 27 is the length of the channel. The 30 is the amount of weight that this channel is designed to hold up. During the course of replacing this, we decided that 30 wasn't quite enough to hold that thing up properly, and so we switched it to a 2740. We gave it a 40-pound weight lift, and we felt that did a better job of holding that sash up in any position that you decide to put it at, whether it's 4 inches to get a small draft or wide open to get a nice cool summer breeze. This is the top cap that is on the corner of the sash, and in addition to that being a cosmetic piece to give it a finished look, it also is what holds the balance from, and maybe you could hold that up for him, Daniel, and show him how that's what grabs a hold of that to keep it inside the sash so that you don't see it, and that's what makes the thing operate. The other device was the takeout clip. That's what he had to open at the top of the jamb there that would grab a hold of that sash balance in order for him to remove the sash. So it's going to hook into the little holes there that you can see there right at the mid rail, and then grab a hold of the top clip. And that's what's going to hold it in place until he puts the new sash in. So now he'll do the other side. And the top cap, even though it looks cosmetic, it does have a function. It's what connects it to the sash. These things get cooked by the summer heat here in Albuquerque, and so it's not uncommon that when you go to do this job that those things are cracked and broken. So he's going to replace them with new ones. The takeout clips are pretty universal in every brand of window, but that top cap is going to be different from brand to brand. So when you go to your local glass shop or hardware store, you always want to take samples of every one of these parts that you're trying to buy. Otherwise, you're going to be turned around in just a matter of seconds and be told to come back when you have something to show them. So now he's ready to go. He's got the new balance in, he's lubricated, he's replaced the top caps. His locks are in the open position. That's very critical. A lot of windows, if you leave those locks in the closed position, you're going to break glass putting that sash back in. So that's a critical part of this, is that the locks are in the open position. Now he's ready to put the sash back in. So he's going to put the sash into one side of the jamb or the other, just above the bottom of that new balance that he just stuck in there. And then he'll center it so that it grabs a hold. Fine there. The job is done when he puts those takeout clips back in so that they won't grab the balance the first time that the customer opens the window. Make sure it's seated properly. You can pretty much tell that by the way it locks properly. And job is complete. So now he just needs to pick up his old parts, and he's been wearing booties. He has a tarp down so he knows he's going to be able to walk away without leaving grease behind. Nice job.
Thank you.